if you want to say I play any type of sports, use this phrase. I play tennis is テニスをします。Okay? If you play football, we say サッカー。サッカーをします。Or if you play any type of sports, スポーツをします。Okay? So します。します、します、します。Alright? But maybe you feel, します means do? Yes, します means do. So we say do sports, do tennis, do soccer, do football, yeah? So テニスをします、サッカーをします、スポーツをします。Yeah? We have another verb, 遊びます, also means play, but it's a little bit different meaning. So 遊びます is like children play something, yeah? Children play happily in the playground or sandy beach kind of things. And then if you mention playing, kids play using something, for example, using toys, おもちゃで遊びます。So, で is used, alright? おもちゃで遊びます。It means a child play with toys. Yes. So, 子供がおもちゃで遊びます。Yes. So, 遊びます cannot use with any sports. Yes. スポーツを遊びます。It's wrong. Okay. So, if you mention I play sports, スポーツをします。サッカーをします。テニスをします。